We'll be going over natural gas. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We had our main and negative MACD seeing slight signs of a converge. We're still at oversold levels with the RSI. As we extend out to the 4 hour chart, we had our main and negative MACD and at oversold condition with the RSI. As we extend out further to the daily chart, we have dipped into negative MACD territory and we're approaching to oversold condition with the daily RSI. As for support, that'll be where we have the 200 moving average, this green line, at a price of $2.44. If it were to test that support, the price movement to the downside is roughly around 2.1%. And as for resistance, that'll be where it encountered support in the past, and since we're below support, that now acts as our resistance at the price of $2.65. If it were to test that level, the price movement to the upside is roughly around 6.3%. As for the trade idea of the week, I'll be trading UNG, and my position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $8.97, and that is this range here, and that coincided with previous support levels that dated back to January 22nd. My sell target is at $9.93. My stop loss is at $8.75. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $10.41, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $9.21, and my stop loss is at $10.92. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, natural gas has a 33% chance to climb between 0 to 7.4%, and to the downside, it has a 33% chance to fall between 0 to negative 7.4%, and another 33% chance to fall between negative 7.4 to negative 14.8%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.